Good day to you, Sir, Madam. I'm Rodaline P. Agbayani. I'm 26 years old. I'm a high school graduate. I'm experienced in domestic helper in Kuwait. My duties and responsibilities are mopping the floor, cooking, ironing, washing the clothes, and take care of children.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Rodaline. How are you today?
Sir, Madam, I'm fine.
Okay, so why the employer should hire you as their domestic helper?
I am honest, loyal, responsible, and hardworking.
So what made you decide to work in abroad again?
For my family financial, I will give them a right time of food and give them vitamins, taking a bath, and tutoring and play with them.
Okay, so what if you committed a mistake and the employer scolds you? What will you do?
I will say sorry and I will not do it again.
Okay, so what is your last message or promise to your future employer?
Sir, Madam, please hire me because I need to support my family financial and I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Okay, thank you, Miss Rodaline, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Madam, Sir.